Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious graham brownies. First, gather all your ingredients and tools, like a large mixing bowl, a whisk, and a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Make sure your pan is greased and floured or lined with parchment paper for easy removal later. Next, let's get our wet and dry ingredients ready. In a heat-proof bowl, gently melt your butter and chocolate. In a separate bowl, whisk together your eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract until light and fluffy. Then, in another bowl, combine your dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. This keeps everything organized and ensures a smooth batter. Now it's time to assemble our brownies. Pour about half of your rich brownie batter into the prepared baking pan, spreading it evenly. Next, arrange a layer of graham cracker pieces over the batter. This adds that unique crunch and flavor. Finally, carefully pour the remaining brownie batter over the graham crackers, ensuring they are fully covered. Smooth the top for an even bake. Bake your brownies for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for fudgy, perfectly cut squares. Patience is key here. After they've cooled, slice and serve your delicious graham brownies. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, make sure to check the description below for a link and more fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.